If you're looking for a functional compact SUV with reliability and safety for your whole family, then take a look at this 2021 Jeep Cherokee 80th Edition in granite crystal metallic. With HID headlamps, 19-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and cross path detection, tow package, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 51,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, SELEC-TERRAIN system, dual pane panoramic sunroof, power liftgate, 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D7118.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.